Wanna know how to lock your tracks in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. First off, open up Audacity and import any track that you like. For me, I have this track right here. Now double click to select an entire track. Now head towards track, left click on it, and then down right here, you need to make sure keep track synchronized or sync lock is selected. If not, just simply press on it. After that's done, once you have selected the track, this clock-like icon should appear. Right? This means that your track has been locked, and that's it. It's super simple and easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.